my second graders. It is time for our math test. So I thought today what I would do is I'm going to go over the directions just like we do in class, and then I'm going to let you work on it. So when you get done, you can have your parents correct it. You can upload the pictures of what you did to Seesaw and I can correct it. And I want to see how you do. I think you're going to do really good though. So let's go over the directions so you know what to do and then you can get started. And as a reminder, do I help you in tests during school? Nope. So this is your help. You need to do your best. If you have a question reading a word or things like that, you can always ask me on Seesaw, or you can ask grown-up or an older brother or sister at your house if they can help you, but you need to try to do it all on your own and see what you can do. So good luck. I think you're gonna do great. Let's go over what you have to do today. So the first part that you have to do is making a graph. And one thing that kids usually get wrong on this is that they don't read what kind of graph they need to make. So this first one says, make a picture graph. Picture graph. So you're gonna use this table right here. And if you're making a picture graph and the title is going to be Roses Picked, what do you think your pictures are going to be? Do you know what roses are? They're a kind of flower. So I would have this, your picture, be flowers. But down here, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to use this table, but now you're going to use it to make a bar graph. The title's the same. You're going to use this information to make the bars. The numbers go down here. People that have been showing me their work have been doing a really good job. You guys are getting much neater about it, and they're looking good. So make sure these look good too, because it's your time to show me what you got. On this page, it says use the picture graph, write the number. Paula has, here's Paula, and here's Ronaldo. Does Paula have more or fewer? I would start with that, strawberries. And then you tell me how many more or fewer does she have. So there's 2 steps to that problem right there. These ones are going to be story problems, and you're just going to use the numbers in here. These are not for a graph that you're using them at all. On the next page, you are going to use this graph right here to answer these questions. And then there's a couple more story problems over here, and these ones go with this one right there. Those questions go with that. And then on the back, telling time. We were working really hard on this before we all had to start learning from home. So I hope you've still been kind of practicing that, because time is an important thing. Down here, you need to just circle. Would you wake up in the morning at 7 p.m. or 6:30 a.m.? Go to the beach at 9 a.m. or 2 p.m. And down here it says, explain how you can use skip counting to find the time shown on the clock. Remember, we do skip counting when you go around the clock like this, right? What are you counting by? That's all they want to know. So your test starts on page 251, and you have 251. The back is 252. 253 and 254. That's all you're going to work on for your time today, and I want you to try it by yourself. And if you mess a bunch up or something or need help, we are all about learning. So let me know what you are doing good at. If there's something that you do not get, I can help you with that, and you and I can kind of work on it, okay? So good luck on your math test today, kids.